You looking at Annie? You looking at Annie? Oh, he didn't know what to think about it, I don't think.
I think he's also not quite at neck control.
Yeah, he's a little bit tired. He's so cute. Have those little toes.
What happens when you adjust to you this way?
I know.
Do you lean that way?
Hey, there he is. I lost it in a second or two. And he's like, I'm getting out of here. Doesn't know what to think about all this. You looking at Annie? He keeps looking for Annie. They're like at the same height. It's like a Mexican standoff.